You are standing in your living room, looking at a floor you just spent 20 minutes cleaning, and then a stray beam of sunlight hits the wood at just the right angle to show a carpet of dust you somehow missed. It is maddening. This is the exact moment where the marketing for the Shark PowerPro Reveal starts to feel like a lifesaver. That machine is built around the idea that you cannot clean what you cannot see. It adds these specialized lights and enhanced visibility features specifically designed to hunt down the debris hiding under your sofa or in those dark corners. It makes the act of vacuuming feel almost like a video game where you are tracking down every last speck. But then you have the Shark PowerPro Plus, which is the steady, reliable sibling in this lineup. It does not care about the fancy light show. It is focused entirely on raw, consistent suction and getting the job done without any distractions. When you put these tools side by side, the big question is whether those extra bells and whistles actually change how clean your home gets, or if they are just clever ways to get you to open your wallet a little wider. If we look at the actual mechanics, the cleaning power between these two is surprisingly close. They come from the same family tree, so the motor and the basic suction tech are nearly identical. The PowerPro Plus really shines on carpets because it keeps things simple and keeps the power focused where it matters. It feels more like a workhorse. It is the tool for someone who wants to get in, get the dirt out of the rugs, and get on with their day. On the flip side, the Reveal model is definitely more of a specialist for hard floors and detailed sessions. Those lights do make a difference when you are squinting under the coffee table. You see things you would normally walk right past. But here is the thing. Does seeing more dirt actually mean the machine is pulling up more than the other one? Not necessarily. The suction is the same. One just highlights your failures as a cleaner in real time. The Plus model feels more practical and rugged. It lacks that modern, sleek flair of its sibling, but it feels like it could handle years of heavy use without a hitch. The Reveal feels a bit more refined, but you are definitely paying a premium for that visual feedback. Most people just want their floors to feel clean under their feet. They do not need a spotlight to prove it. If you are the type of person who finds satisfaction in seeing every single crumb disappear, the Reveal might be worth the extra cost for the peace of mind. But for the vast majority of us, the PowerPro Plus is the smarter move. It provides the same level of deep cleaning for your carpets and hard floors without the unnecessary fluff. You are getting the core performance without the markup for features that do not actually improve the suction. It is efficient, it is effective, and it does not try to be anything other than a high-quality vacuum. In a world where every gadget tries to overcomplicate things with extra sensors and lights, there is something deeply refreshing about a machine that just works. You want to finish your chores quickly and know the job was done right. The Plus gives you that reliability. The Reveal gives you a show. Both are solid machines with great build quality, but the savage truth is that the marketing makes the gap look much wider than it really is in your living room. Choose the one that fits your style, but do not feel like you are losing out on power if you go with the more basic option. It is all about how you want to experience the chore. You want results, not just a fancy display of what you were missing before. Consistency beats flashiness every single time you have a house full of dust to manage.